In this video, I'm gonna show you how to set power button as a flashlight on Poco C75. Go in settings, scroll down, go in additional settings, go in gesture shortcuts, tap on turn on torch. Now simply tap on this toggle. Now let's check it out. I will simply double press the power button. As you can see, flashlight is open. Then again I will double press the power button. As you can see, flashlight is disabled. So this is how you can set power button as a flashlight on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.